All right, what's going on, tycoons? For today's video, we're going to be looking at the Wilder World token. Wilder World has lots of potential in the future. Okay, the coin pair specifically on this chart is the WILD/USDT. Okay, we're looking at that on TradingView. So let me give you guys some reasons why Wilder could be big. Okay, and I'm talking big. All right. So instead of building a new marketplace to sell NFTs where, they're just essentially appreciating assets, okay, like for instance, OpenSea, okay? OpenSea is a NFT marketplace, all right? Instead of doing that, all right, they add utility and use case to their NFTs by making them functional gaming accessories, all right? So not only are they producing these NFTs, all right, now they're functional gaming accessories, all right? They have cars, they have buildings, etc., skins, okay, so on and so forth. They are teaming up with the world's best digital 3D artists too, using a decentralized team with 70 full-time creators and another 1,000 artists slash coders to make avatar skins, cars, clothes, etc. Okay, basically like all NFTs. All right, but these are like legit the world's best digital 3D artists. Okay, they just got one of the heads of design from Nike. Okay, like we're talking about Nike. Nike pays a lot of money. So if this guy's leaving Nike to work on Wilder World, that's a big deal. Okay, you need to pay attention to it. And all right, so Wild World, their whole metaverse is developed using Unreal Engine. Okay. And there's a lot of so Unreal Engine is like Epic Games. Okay, that's like Fortnite, basically. Okay. So the additional features planned for Unreal Engine, coming from Epic's acquisitions and partnerships is the MetaHuman creator. And that is basically a project based on technology from 3 different companies that allows developers to quickly create realistic human characters that can then be exported for use within Unreal Engine. Okay, now this is the engine that Wild World is developed by. That's what, they're using Unreal Engine to develop it. Okay, and Unreal Engine is developing something to, quickly create realistic human characters that can be exported for use. So basically, you'll be able to scan yourself. You'll be able to get all these different NFTs, purchase these different NFTs to make yourself however you want to look in the metaverse, okay, and represent yourself in the metaverse. And then also, these NFTs may, fluctuate in price. They may go up in value, down in value, depending on rank and what's hot and popular at the time. But essentially, if the game grows and continues to grow over the next few years, all of your NFTs essentially should be worth more if there's more users trying to get them, more new users coming into the platform who, would then be trying to purchase something that you have, or etc. Okay. And then they also, okay, so Epic has another thing with reality capture as well that I'll get into real quick. That basically generates 3D models of any object from a collection of photographs taken from its multiple angles. Okay, so they're going to be able to essentially scan stuff, and let's say they scan the basilica, right? They go to Rome and they scan the cathedral or something. All right, they can scan that, turn it into an NFT, upload it into the Wilder World metaverse, okay? And you can buy yourself a Pope skin NFT, all right, and purchase the, place where the Pope lives and go pretend to be the freaking Pope in the metaverse if you want to, okay? That's what I'm saying. So essentially, it's going to be like almost like a futuristic version of GTA where you'll be able to scan yourself, interact with other members in your area within a certain radius, be able to buy your own condos, buy your own yachts, buy your own aircrafts. Okay. It's going to be a really fun game. It's going to look amazing. They're teaming up with the best in the business as far as, gaming development works. Okay. And then they're in talks with people like OpenSea to basically have OpenSea be a shop or store, where you could purchase from inside Wilder World and, and transfer those NFTs that you purchase into your Wilder World metaverse. So let's say you have the Pope's Lair and you want to, you buy some NFT, okay, you go to the OpenSea store, go to the little OpenSea spot in the Wilder World metaverse, and then you buy some NFT. Now you can store it and put it on the roof of the cathedral, okay, or the basilica, whatever it's called. You can do a lot, okay. So they're in talks with OpenSea, so that's going to be really big too. If you're able to, and they're in talks with Bored Ape Yacht Club, okay, we know how popular that is. They're also working on Wilder athletics, specifically like basketball and like boxing and I think football. Okay, they already signed NBA player Michael Carter Williams as head of Metaverse athletics. Okay, so they're just expanding, and working with the best digitally, gaming people, companies there are right now. So it could be huge in the future. With that being said, if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and drop a like down for me. That would really help the channel out a lot. It's been exactly 2 months now since I started, and just diving into these cryptos for you guys now. Okay, so what we have here is a bull flag. All right, that is one of the easiest crypto patterns to spot. All right, we have the nice bull flag. We broke out. Okay, we came back down, retested. To get your price target for the bull flag, you basically duplicate this drawing, which is what I did, and then put it at the bottom, the lows of your bull flag. Okay, and that'll take us up to here, which is, you notice, is also a target on our, or right near a target on our fib levels. So that looks really good to me. That makes me think that we're going to hit these fib levels up here. Okay. Around this at the 2.618. All right, we already hit the 1.618 right here, right here, right here. It keeps hitting it. It's hovering right around it. Okay, so there's two ways to play it. All right, you could have got in down here. You could have got in when we broke, had the breakout of the bull flag, or when we came back down and retested it, and you could have sold at this 1.618, the 0.618, all these different areas you can sell. Okay, I know people like to use the fibs a lot, so I got the fibs pulled up for you guys. And we're looking at the 1 hour chart currently. Let me see here real quick. Yeah, so we'll go to the daily chart. Sorry about that. And you guys can see a little bit better all the fib levels. Okay, so we hit there nicely. All right, we're heading up to the 2.618 next. And I do think we'll get that, because that's right around the projected move for this bull flag. Okay, so look for that. All right, with that being said, that was just a quick technical analysis. All right, I just wanted to basically put Wilder on your radar, put it maybe on your long-term investment list. All cryptos are very move very dramatically. Okay, so you can't always day trade and scalp these, and you can look at these levels, you can swing trade them. All right, you can use them for how you want. But definitely pay attention to Wild World a lot. I really like this one, and I haven't looked into staking yet, if they have any staking opportunities or things like that. I'm just now diving into Wild World, so once I dive a little bit more in, I'll go ahead and give you guys an update. And if you have any other crypto coins, crypto tokens, metaverse investments, anything like that you want me to look at, or you want me to make a video on, let me know in the comments down below. All right, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want to join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, where we have crypto callouts, you can gain our entries and exits. We have stock callouts, options callouts, and we're trading daily in there. All right, so thanks again for watching. Bye.